Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Honda Motorhome. External design aerodynamic and modern. For optimal fuel efficiency, the design will prioritize aerodynamics and include sleek, modern body lines. Automatic awning. An automated retractable canopy equipped with a wind sensor is offered for increased comfort, external storage, bicycles, camping gear, and other outdoor equipment can be conveniently stored outside in this spacious area. Connectivity: 240 volts, 120V external charging port, and clean water connection. Wheel design: modern alloy wheels that may incorporate energy-efficient tires. Use a 360-degree camera to make parking and moving around easier. Interior and layout: ergonomic and luxurious design. The interior's ergonomically designed layout will make use of premium materials including real wood or modern wood treatments, synthetic leather, and ambient LED lighting. Living room: sofa that can be used as a bed, comfortable seating area, and foldable dining table. A big window that maximizes the view outside and has motorized blinds is called a panoramic window. Kitchen: 2-burner induction stove, microwave, large sink, and high-capacity refrigerator. Smart storage cabinets with state-of-the-art, compact storage options. Permanent bed for larger models, a king-size or queen-size bed with a decent mattress. Powertrain and performance: most likely hybrid powertrain. Honda is most likely to provide a hybrid or perhaps plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain option in order to reduce emissions and fuel consumption. Strong and effective V6 gasoline engine. The non-hybrid version needs a powerful yet efficient V6 gasoline engine, maybe with Honda's VTC technology installed. Drivetrain: select front-wheel drive FWD or optional all-wheel drive AWD for better traction under a variety of driving circumstances. Platform: most likely an altered version of Honda's robust platform for commercial vans. Smartphone integration: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.